Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic of presentation is the botanical gardens. You have already studied about the taxonomy and branches of taxonomy, about the species, subspecies, variety and forma and the concept of the species. So today we are discussing about the botanical gardens, and in next lecture we will discuss about the herbarium and types of the herbaria. Okay. So what is the botanical garden? Actually, botanical garden is a place or a storehouse where the plants are grown in the fresh form, in the living form, and it is registered with the IABG, International Association of Botanical Gardens, and it has a valid code and its name. But it the real botanical garden where it is registered with the association of the botanical gardens, okay, and the plants are grown in the fresh forms. They are mostly used for the research work. The facilities are given for the education purpose, recreation purpose, ornamental and aesthetic role, okay. So in this lecture we will discuss the importance of the botanical gardens, its types of botanical gardens and different botanical gardens, well known botanical garden in the world and its code, okay. Number first one is the arboretum, pinetum and orchidarium. What is arboretum? Arboretum is a type of botanical gardens where the main collection is of woody species. Woody species means woody plants, the trees. The main collection is there mostly the woody plants. For example, Dalbergia sissu, Manotheca buxifolia, Eucalyptus species, okay, Morus alba, Morus nigra, and so on. The main collection is the of woody plants, okay. Number second one is the pinetum. Pinetum is a kind of botanical gardens where the main collection is of conifer species. Conifer species mean gymnosperms. For example, Pinus, Cycas, Thuja, Ephedra, etc. etc. Okay. Pinetum is a type of botanical garden where the main collection is of conifer species. Conifers mean gymnosperms, cone-bearing plants. Number third one is the orchidarium. As the name indicates, orchidarium is a kind of botanical gardens where only the orchids are grown. Okay, orchids or orchids. The main collection is of orchids and mostly used for ornamental purpose. Okay, so these are the three basic kinds of botanical gardens. Next one is the importance of important botanical gardens in the world. There are about 500 botanical gardens worldwide, more than 500. Okay, 500 they are registered with the International Association of Botanical Gardens. Some of them are the number first one is the Royal Botanical Garden Kew. It is in UK and it is the largest botanical garden in the world. Its code is K, Royal Botanical Garden. Number second one is the Missouri Botanical Garden, St. Louis, Missouri. It is in United States. It is the second largest botanical garden and having more than 6 million species. Missouri Botanical Garden, St. Louis, Missouri, United States. Number third one is the New York Botanical Garden. It is also located in New York, a well-known city of the United States. Its code is NY. Okay, there are also many other botanical gardens which are located in Australia, New Zealand, Europe, North America, South America and Asian countries as well. For example, Smithsonian Botanical Garden, Sydney Botanical Garden, okay, Chicago Botanical Garden. The advanced countries have botanical garden in every state and they give preferences to the botanical gardens, okay, because they are giving a huge importance to the plants, they are utilizing them, okay, and they are doing research work on them as well, okay. Next one is the functions of the botanical gardens, that why the botanical gardens were established in developed countries. In Europe and North America, the botanical gardens were established in 18th century, okay. It has a long history and they are developing them up till now. Number first one, botanical garden, they are used for the research work. Research work is conducted in different fields. For example, taxonomy, ecology, floristic diversity, phytosociology, plant breeding and genetics. Okay? Education, the botanical garden, actually they are the education institutes where the taxonomist and botanist, they are performing their duties. Okay? And different students, they are getting their degrees as well in foreign countries. The botanical garden is also a source of recreation. It has a huge ornamental value and aesthetic. It is used for aesthetic purpose as well. Different kinds of seminars, workshops, and conferences, they are arranged on plant taxonomy and botany and the applied field of botany in the botanical gardens. Okay, and the people and students are getting benefits from them. Greenhouses, it is a source of greenhouses, glass houses or screen houses where the plants are grown inside them. Different tropical, subtropical plants, alpine plant, deserted plants, cane plants, succulent plants, every kinds of plants they are bring from the worldwide countries and they are grown in their greenhouses. Okay. Seed bank, it also provides as a source of seed bank. It is a germ plasm where we can get important seeds from which we need. Okay. And one of the important function is the taxonomy. The identification of plants is mainly done in the botanical gardens. Okay, there are different botanists and taxonomists, well-known taxonomists are there, and they identify the plants. Okay, worldwide when you discover a new plant, so they will identify it for you. Okay. Conservation, we have an issue regarding the conservation. So those plants which are near to extinction are threatened species or vulnerable species, so they are grown in the botanical garden. They increase their number. For example, Lycopodium, Hapersia, Xylotum nudum, okay, and other gymnosperms and angiosperms and pteridophytes, they are grown there to preserve them, to conserve them. Their number is increased. Okay, they also hybridize them. Next one is the fresh plants. Mainly the fresh plants are grown in the botanical gardens and they are available anytime for us, for the research work, for the refreshment, for the getting photographs. Okay, worldwide different people in North America and United States, the people are coming for recreation purpose. Okay, and they are also generating revenue from them. So the botanical garden, it is an institute which is mainly used for research work, for education, for refreshment, for recreation purpose, and also for aesthetic role as well. Okay, the conservation issues of the people are solved regarding with the different plants, and the plants can be easily identified in the botanical gardens.